So boys and girls, this is not the normal sheetrock. This entire house is built out of cinder blocks, cement poured in each pocket, and it's not that easy to get off with just a chisel and a hammer. So this is taking a little bit more work than it should with just a regular cinder block and a hammer. Chisel and a hammer, excuse me. So I'm gonna bring some power tools in tomorrow, and we're gonna tear this thing all to pieces and get all these tiles off. These tiles are on there. I respect the contractors that laid this, these simple square looking tiles. They're ugly, they're outdated. These things are literally 35 years. This tub is really old. This house is, it's my parents' house. And this thing is, they're pretty old. So it's time to bring it into the 21st century. Let's get it done. And that's what we're doing. But it's taking a little bit of elbow grease. Oh my goodness. And look how close this toilet is to the wall. No codes. Look at this. This is near the top. This is ridiculous. And this has been here for a while. So let's upgrade this bathroom and make it where it's usable and, nice. Okay, you half-wit plumbers. All right, guys, this is how not to install a toilet. This is cement poured, and instead of that gasket ring, the wax ring, they set the toilet down on pure cement. So this is what happens when you try to remove this toilet. This is so terrible. So the half-wit plumber that did this cobbler job, I hope you never get a job ever again doing plumbing. You suck. Have a good day. Surprise, surprise. We removed the tub, and this is what the cobbler did. Cement under the tub just to level it out. This is some shitty work right here. Excuse my French. This is a challenge I didn't see coming, but we got the tub out, we got most of everything. We removed the tub, the toilet. And we are almost there with a blank canvas. Yes. All right, good morning there, fellow DIYers. It's January 27th. I'm still here, and we got quite a bit done in the matter of a week. It was a lot of hilty action. We got quite a bit of the cement that was poured in proper fashion. Cement the toilet bowl down. The floor was just unlevel. Couldn't put any tiles there. They would crack after a while. So we're here this morning. We just finished up, and I'm just gonna give you a quick update, rundown on where we are so far. Still look a little bit rough, not a little, looks a lot rough. But we're getting there. Hopefully by the end of this week, the cement, the floors for the shower, the floors for around the toilet and all that stuff is gonna be poured. And we're gonna be moving forward as far as tiling goes. That's the fun part. That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to tile. You know, that's where it's at. So, you know, taking a blank canvas and creating something from what was here for a better part of 35 years. I grew up in this house. I was 12 years old when I got here. We finished building the house actually back in like 1982 or something like that. And it's been the same bath. Well, stuff has been changed out, but replaced with a lot of the cobblers that are down here in Jamaica. There's no codes. They don't follow any rules. They just do random stuff. So all that is being corrected. So for a better experience when you come and use this bathroom, you could have fun taking a shower, doing the number deuce, you know. So let me show you where we're at. Let's go. Let's see. So remember the sink, the little face basin was here. That was 37 years old. This used to be where the tub used to be. So from there all the way over here to right here, this cement point right here. And then the toilet was in this corner. Very awkward, it was very tight. Your elbows would hit the wall, your knees would hit the side of the tub right here. And this guy poured over here, up under the tub, about 6 inches thick of cement. And then he had the audacity to, instead of putting the flange for the toilet bowl and everything, he said, screw that, no wax ring or anything. He just poured cement and sat the toilet bowl right in the cement over the pipe. That was the worst job I've ever seen. This is the first I'm seeing all of the plumbing. As a kid, they did the plumbing. I was in school when they were doing the plumbing. And this is 30-something years worth of plumbing that I'm looking at right here. It's like an archaeology experiment. So this is where we're at. We cleaned off everything off the wall. We're gonna dress the wall. We're gonna take these valves out. We're taking that out, which was the little pipe for the tub. We're taking these out. We're changing all of this. We're putting in one of those fancy shower. Well, it's not fancy. It's the basic shower head, but a little bit better than what was in here. One control valve right here for hot water, cold water, and that part is going to be non-existent because it's going to be a standing shower. And the reason for this shower being put back in here, my dad is 71, and he has a little bit of, I don't know what it is, he has a little bit of hip problems, and I can't afford for him to step over into a tub, you know, risk falling or something like that. I want it to be an easy transition, you know, get in the shower, take a shower. I'm gonna put a little bench for him right there. Eventually, he's saying he doesn't want one, but he's getting one. I'm sticking it in there whether he likes it or not. And yeah, make the experience for him a little bit easier, transitioning in and out of the shower. And that's where we're at so far. So, you know, hey, like, and subscribe, and, you know, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about what you've seen here. And you will see the process as it goes, you know. Thanks, guys.